In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect straight edge with no holes in your double crochet pieces of work. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so again, this is being worked in double crochets. So instead of chaining one, we're just going to turn our work. And directly into that first stitch, we're going to make a single crochet. So we're going to go in, pull up a loop. We'll have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. So now you'll see we have like 2 little loops here, right here, and right here. Now we're going to work into the second one that's furthest away from our hook. So we're going to go in here and make a single crochet. So it helps if you pull up a little bit, go into that loop, draw up, pull through. So now we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And that's how you do it. And then you just continue the rest of your row with double crochets as normal. And that really helps with that gap.